everyone. It's Joe Witt and Rob Leffler. We're here to just talk a little bit about the program that we just went through with the COVID vaccination and the system we put in place is we wanted to reward you as team members for creating independence from COVID and a safe place and a safe work environment. And we want to say thank you for all that participated in the COVID vaccine program. And for those of you who needed to move toward an exception, thank you for getting that done. We value all of you, appreciate what you do. And our goal is to have a safe work environment so we can celebrate and take care of our residents in a very safe and efficient way. So thank all of you for participating. I'm going to let Rob talk a little bit about the COVID vaccine, the COVID pandemic, and after he talks, I'm going to do the fun stuff. I'm going to announce all the winners from our Independence from COVID reward program. So Rob, with that, go ahead and talk. And Rob's done an amazing job of leading PCA through the COVID pandemic, and he does a great job as a leader for PCA. So I appreciate Rob being here.
Thanks, Joe. So the good news is PCA has done a great job of getting vaccinated. I don't know if you know this, but we're up to 88% in
That's
our
awesome.
employees. That's really awesome. If you think about the numbers that you see in the community, you think about the percentages you see in long-term care, we're above the averages, and it's no surprise our team is above average. We have an awesome team, and they're dedicated to the safety of our residents and each other and their families. So we're really thrilled with that number, and we just want to keep plugging away and thinking about keeping us safe. Over 300 million doses of COVID vaccine have been given in the U.S. so far, and that's a huge number. It's amazing that we've gotten so many doses given in our country. And you think about all the money and the research that has gone into that to make sure that we're keeping people safe and preventing deaths from COVID. And speaking of deaths from COVID, there was an article that Randy pointed out on LinkedIn recently from the Wall Street Journal that talked about the deaths in the last 6 months. 99.5% of deaths were in unvaccinated people. So vaccines really have done a good job of preventing those fatal outcomes from COVID. And as we move through the summer and we're looking towards the fall, we're starting to see variants develop, and there's been a lot of talk about the Delta variant and the negative outcomes that they're seeing with that variant in the communities. The Wall Street Journal had an interesting quote. They said, "We're fighting two pandemics. The first is the disease itself, and the second is the misinformation out there." And we all know that there's a lot of misinformation about vaccines out there. And I think that's led to a lot of hesitancy amongst people. With only 12% of our employees left to vaccinate, we're seeing great strides there. But I think maybe some of our employees may not know how to have those conversations with their family members or be able to effectively answer their questions. If you have questions or your family members have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, reach out to your local PCA leaders. We're happy to have those conversations and help you keep your families and yourselves safe.
And Rob, on PCA Connect, we kind of have a area that's dedicated to COVID that you can get information from. That's on our PCA Connect website, intranet. And I think that's a great resource. And I think with the variant, I know that Pfizer is now coming out with a booster shot, but they're saying that that's not necessary if you've already had the COVID vaccine. But I think we'll keep looking at that and keeping tabs on that, and let's hope that we continue to do great things here at PCA and keep one another safe. I mean, I know for me personally, I have family members that have chosen not to get the vaccine, and I try talking to them, and I've had family members that did get the vaccine, so it can be a very it can be a good topic of conversation. But I think the most important thing Rob said is don't listen to the misinformation, listen to the information, listen to the experts. They're the ones that know. If you get all your information on Facebook, you might want to re-examine that. So that sometimes can get a little bit not the best place to get your facts. But let's get to the fun part. So one of the things we want to always do is make sure as leaders that we're thinking about the safety of our employees, and we thought this was something that was very, very important. So we wanted to create the Independence from COVID reward program where any of you who were vaccinated by July the 1st, or we wanted to reward you by saying thank you for caring for others, not just yourself, but for others. And secondly, any pharmacy that had 100% participation in the COVID vaccine program, where their team members were either vaccinated or they had received exceptions, that they were eligible for additional prizes. So what I want to do is the pharmacy drawings first. So we had 2 pharmacies that were 100% participated based on the guidelines set forth in the reward program. That was PCA Nashville, and I'm not surprised. Andy is a great leader down there, and he leads by example, and his employees believe in him, and we just appreciate everything Andy does. He's does a great job in Nashville, and among all the COVID, they brought on 50 new accounts since October, so they've been a busy group of people. Secondly, our startup pharmacy, the Synchrony Employee Pharmacy, mail order pharmacy under Jimmy's leadership, and I can't always get last names right, so I'm not even going to try his, but Jimmy is another great leader. We're very fortunate to have him. He's done a great job. But those 2 pharmacies became eligible for additional drawings. We drew for 4 50 stars, 2 $50 rewards, and $100 reward. So for the 4 individuals that won the 50 stars, Brandy Sarl is a mail order tech at Synchrony Pharmacy. Andy Shaver, pharmacist in Nashville, was a 50-star winner. Tiffany Davis, floor tech in Nashville, and Crystal Azell, our amazing pick down in Nashville, all won 50 stars. So congratulations to Crystal, Tiffany, Andy, and Brandy. I think they're trying to get me to tie my tongue up with these names. The $50 winners were Laura Giordarenko, and I know I missed your name, and I'm sorry, Laura, and Kim Chafin. Kim's a floor tech in Nashville. Laura is billing. You both won $50. Panda Hayslip, floor tech in Nashville, you're a $100 winner. So congratulations to all of our pharmacy drawing winners: Panda, Laura, Kim, Crystal, Tiffany, Andy, and Brandy. So I got that right. So now let's move on to our team member or total company drawing. So we had 8 100-star winners, 4 $250 winners, 2 $500 winners, and a grand prize of $1,000. So let's start with the 8 100-star winners. Barbara Kasich, pharmacist, Columbus, won 100 stars. Dana Harshbarger, pharmacist in Grand Rapids, won 100 stars. Kim Hobbs, AL Tech Louisville, won 100 stars. Michelle Anderson, order entry Grand Rapids, won 100 stars. Coy McCarl, Floor Tech Des Moines, won 100 stars. Kathy Straley, Medical Records Columbus, won 100 stars. Clay Tannehill, Account Manager Indy, won 100 stars. And Bryant Ross, Floor Tech Grand Rapids, won 100 stars. So congratulations to Barbara, Dana, Kim, Michelle, Coy, Kathy, Clay, and Bryant for winning 100 stars. Our next was 4 $250 award winners. Christina Anderson, pharmacist in Columbus, won $250. Amy Melton, customer service rep, Nashville, $250 winner. Laura DeLeon, pharmacist in charge, Tampa, $250 winner. Sally Palou, billing in Louisville, and Sally's one of our newer billers here in Louisville, $250 winner, so welcome, Sally. Next, the $500 winners. Marco Bejarno, pharmacist, pick in Des Moines, Iowa. Congratulations, Marco. Sarah Arrayas, Floor Tech in Indianapolis. Congratulations, Sarah. Marco and Sarah each won $500. And now to our grand prize drawing of $1,000. A long-term employee from Columbus, Ohio. Congratulations, Jami, Kinney, Floor Tech in Columbus, Ohio. You just won the grand prize of $1,000. We will see these. All the money will be on your paychecks on the 23rd, so July 23rd. That's 2 weeks from today. You'll see that, and of course we have to pay taxes on it, but you will get that on your paychecks. Congratulations to all the winners, especially to Jami Kinney, our grand prize winner of $1,000. Thank you guys for all you do. Thanks for helping us provide a safe work environment and supporting our Independence from COVID drive. And thanks for all you do every day to make sure our residents get their medications timely and correctly. Stay awesome and have a great July.